Something that is unbelievable is that before a job interview, most people don't prepare their answers for the questions that are going to be asked. Something that surprises even more is that interviewers almost all the time ask the same questions. I have noticed it because I have been interviewed many times, and the interviewers have always asked me the same things. For this reason, in this video, we're going to see the most frequent questions that the companies ask in an interview. At this moment, I'm just going to mention the questions, and in a later video, I'm going to practice the answers for every question. Among the most frequent questions we can mention: tell me about yourself. Why do you want to work in this company? Tell me about your goals. How do you handle stress and pressure? Why should we hire you? Why did you leave your last job? What is your greatest strength? What is your greatest weakness? What are your salary expectations for this position? What do you know about this position to which you are applying? These are just some of the most likely questions the interviewer is going to ask. So if you know them, you will have a great advantage if you have practiced the answers before showing up to the interview. Okay, now to prepare the best possible answers for these questions, make a search on Google or YouTube. For example, the search Best Answers Job Interview Questions. As you have seen in other videos of the course, in the results you will get hundreds of pages where you can find all these questions with their respective answers. Just remember something very important. The answers on these websites should be adapted to your situation and the type of job you are going to apply. When you already have the questions and the answers, you have to practice them as many times as possible. Because in the moment when you are in the middle of the interview, your answers don't have to sound memorized. They have to sound spontaneous and sincere. This is only achieved with practice.